If you ever crack your knuckles and love that sound, don't think your bones are snapping. Most people believe the crack is bones grinding, but that's not what's happening at all. So, what really causes it? I'll tell you. But if you want to keep your fingers safe, tap the like button, click subscribe, then share. Here's the truth. Cracking a knuckle drops the pressure inside the joint, forming gas bubbles that suddenly pop. Those bubbles take about 30 minutes to return, which is why you can't crack the same knuckle twice. Use too much force though, and you could dislocate your finger. Be honest, did you think knuckle cracking was bad for you?